name's Noor. Welcome to Langley Chrysler.
Just looking at this truck here. What's the price?
Probably more than $100,000.
Nice door handle. How much you pay for the door handle?
No idea.
How much was the steering wheel?
It comes with the truck.
But how much did you pay for it?
This is very, very weird question.
Who put the engine in on this? But I just want to know what all this costs before I buy it. And I know I can get these lights for cheaper. I know where I can save a bit here. And they sell these on Amazon for way cheaper. So if I order the truck, can I get it without these and I get my buddy to put them in? What about this little front end camera here?
Yeah.
I can get my own. My friend can put those in. I'd probably save some money on that. You still give me warranty with this whole truck, right? Like if I put the engine in. Would it be okay if when we order the truck, we order without the windshield and then my friend can put it in? So if I get my own engine and my own stereo, and maybe I could probably get the tailgate stickers myself. I'm just trying to save some money here.
You're not.
What do you mean I'm not? If I'm getting my guys that are paid cheaper to put the stuff in, why would I buy the whole truck from you? And I do want the full warranty. Deal? You don't buy a truck based on the dealership's internal cost. You buy it based on value, the results, and the price on the window. So here's the real question. When did we as builders start pricing homes like we're being audited? Somewhere along the way, clients got trained to believe that building a home means seeing every line item, every supplier cost, and every trade invoice, even though they've never run a construction company in their life. That's not transparency, that's confusion, and confusion is expensive. Fixed price is how the world buys everything. So why are builders the only ones expected to open up their books? Just to do their job?